In this video, I will explain to you what aggression and violence are, and how they can manifest in different situations. You will also learn about the effects aggression and violence can have on people. Aggression is a behavior where someone expresses their anger or frustration. It can be both physical and verbal. Sometimes a person reacts aggressively because they feel threatened or hurt. However, aggression is not always justified and can lead to conflicts. Violence is a more extreme behavior where someone intentionally harms others. It can be physical or psychological in nature. Violence can cause physical injuries or psychological trauma. Violence is a serious form of aggression that often has long-term consequences. Aggression can have many causes, such as stress or unresolved conflicts. Social or family problems often also play a role. Some people react aggressively because they have little control over their emotions. Bullying or a sense of powerlessness can also trigger aggression. Aggression can negatively affect the relationship between people. It often leads to misunderstandings and conflicts. Those who are aggressive find it difficult to build positive relationships with others. Aggression can harm both the perpetrator and the victim. Violence often arises from a feeling of powerlessness or frustration. Some people have learned to use violence as a solution to their problems. Negative experiences in childhood, or an environment that encourages violence, can also contribute. Society plays an important role in how people respond to conflicts. Aggression can often be prevented through targeted measures. An open conversation helps to clarify misunderstandings and resolve conflicts. Relaxation techniques or sports can also help to reduce pressure. It is important to recognize aggression early and counteract it. Violence prevention focuses on education and teaching social skills. It is important that young people learn to control their emotions in a healthy way. Programs in schools and communities help to promote non-violent behavior. Violence prevention creates respectful interaction and reduces the risk of violence. Violence has not only personal consequences but also legal ones. Those who become violent can be prosecuted criminally. In many countries, there are laws that protect people from violence. Penalties range from fines to imprisonment, depending on the severity of the offense. Victims of violence have the right to support and help. There are organizations that advise and accompany people in such situations. This help can be both legal and emotional in nature. It is important that victims do not feel alone and can seek assistance.